Hello, good morning, guys. It's 2:20 a.m. in the morning. It's in Dhaka. So today we'll start chapter 12.3, differentiation product law. Okay, so I'm starting from question number 1. One A. It says that use the product rule to differentiate each of the following with respect to x. Okay, so first x times x plus 4 here. We have to differentiate the whole value with using product law. So I'm taking this is as a u, I'm taking this is as a v. So the formula is u would be constant, x would be constant here, and ddx of x plus 4, which is v, plus x plus 4 would be our v as a constant, and ddx of x here. So here x times the differentiation result of x is 1 here, and here x plus 4 as a constant as x plus 4, which is times here differentiation result of x would be 1. So here is x, here is x plus 1. So the total result is 2x plus 4. So this would be our first answer, and it matched as it says 2x plus 1. Now the second question. Question number B, 2x times 3x plus 5. Two x as a constant, 3x plus 5 as v, then 3x plus 5 is constant, then ddx of twice x. So 2x times here differentiation result is 3 plus 3x plus 5, here differentiation result is 2. So it would be 6x here and 6x plus 10 here. So it will be 12x plus 10. This would be our result. Here 12x plus 10. Now question number C, x times x plus 2 cube here, ddx of x times x plus 2 whole cube. X is a constant here, ddx of v, which is x plus 2 to the power cube. Now x plus 2 to the power cube is a constant here, ddx of x. So here x, this differentiation result is 3 times x plus 2 to the power 2. At first I use power law for this one, and again I have to differentiate x plus 2 this whole value, because this is not only x. Here x plus 2 to the power cube times 1. So 3x x plus 2 to the power square. Here is differentiation result of this one is 1 plus x plus 2 to the power cube. So the result would be, they want us to calculate result as like this way. Okay, so our total result would be, if I take common as x plus 2 whole square, I'm getting 3x here, and I'm getting here x plus 2 as well. So 4x plus 2 here, and here x plus 2 whole square. Yeah, 4x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square. The result matched. We have to make like this system. If you don't, there would be no problem, I guess. Number C done. Then number D, x square x minus 1 whole cube. So x square as a constant, d dx of x minus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cube d dx of x square. Here x square times 3 times x minus 1 square, again d dx of x minus 1, because this total is not x, I use first power law then the chain law. X minus 1 whole cube, here is the differentiation result of this whole part is twice x. Here 3x square x minus 1 square, this differentiation result is 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube times 2x. So from this part I can take x minus 1 as a common. Here 3x square I'm taking second bracket here, so x minus 1 times twice x. So x minus 1 whole square times 3x square plus 2x square minus 2x. It would be x minus 1 whole square 5x square minus 2x. This would be our result. Let me check the result. D, it says that, okay, if I take x as a common, 5x minus 2 and x minus 1 whole square. Yeah, absolutely this fact. Number D done. Then I'm going to number E, x square root x minus 5 here, d dx of x minus 5 here, this is 5. Now the thing is that x is constant here, so d dx of x minus 5 root over x minus 5 fixed here, d dx of x. So x, the differentiation result of any square root of x would be 1 by 2 root over x. So here x minus 5 is our total x, so one more time differentiation, x minus 5. Here x minus 5 times 1. So here the result is x division 2 root over x minus 5 times 1 here plus root over x minus 5. So x by 2 root over x minus 5 plus root over x minus 5. If I do the LCM, 2 square root of x minus 5 x plus 2 times this one and this one would multiply as become like normal one, so it would become 3x minus 10 divided by 2 times x minus 5. It would be our answer. Yeah, 3x minus, yeah, the answer is correct. E done. Now F. So every method is similar. I am writing it as root over x, x plus 2. ddx. So square root of x is our u. So ddx of v, x plus 2 I am considering as v, plus x plus 2 v is fixed here, ddx of square root of x. So square root of x, now this differentiation result is 1 here, plus x plus 2, the square root of x is differentiated by 2 root over x. Guys, you have to remember the formula, I mean the shortcut you can use here. So it is square root of x and x plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x. We have to do the LCM here. 2 root over x, it would become only 2x, because if I multiply these two things, after that here is x plus 2, we'll have 3x plus 2 here over 2 square root of x. This should be our answer. If I'm checking the answer, number F, yeah, the answer is absolutely correct here. Number F. Now number G. Now the G is ddx of x square, here is root over x plus 3. Guys, all these maths are very simple, very easy. Cambridge wants you to practice actually, so nothing to do with your practice, guys. The more you do self-study, the more you will become like a pro, which is a universal law. Try to study a lot, because as a student your primary focus is to study. Without study enough, you won't pass in your exam. But in case of getting rich or making money, education is a very simple thing. I have been knowing so many people who are super duper successful in their life, they are not educated. So don't compare these two things. Getting rich and education is a completely different thing. So if I do the LCM, 2 root over x plus 3, here is x square, so I'll have 4x x plus 3. So this 2 to 4x here, this root and root will become a normal one. Side note, guys, square root times root over x plus 3, it will become only x plus 3. So it will become 5x square plus 12x over 2 root over x plus 3. If I check the answer of G, it will become like this one. Yeah, 5x square plus 12x 2 root over x plus 3. Yeah, the answer is correct here. Now the question number 8. All maths are similar. Root over x times 3 minus x squared to the power 3. This one is a bit complex, I guess. First, root over x is fixed, so ddx of 3 minus x squared to the power 3 plus 3 minus x squared to the power 3 is fixed, ddx of root over x here. So root over x times 3 minus x squared to the power 2, first power law, then again differentiation of 3 minus x squared. Here is 3 minus x squared to the power 3 and square root of x, the differentiation of that is like this way. So 3 root over x times 3 minus x squared to the power square. Here minus 2x would be the differentiation of this part. Now 3 minus x squared to the power 3 divided by 2 root over x basically. So here minus 6x square root of x times 3 minus x squared to the power square plus this part 2 root over x 3 minus x squared to the power cube. So now I'm doing a LCM here. 2 root over x, if I multiply with this 2 it will 12 root over x, and root over x will become x, and in front of x, so it would become a this one would become x, and with multiply with this one it will become an x square, then 3 minus x square to the power square here, plus 3 minus x square to the power cube. Now so 2 root over of x, here we can take 3 minus x square to the power square as a common, so we'll have minus 12x square here, and we'll have plus, so I take 3 minus x square to the power square, right? So 3 minus x square would be left here. So 2 root over x, 3 minus x square to the power square here, 3 minus 13 x square. It should be our answer. If I check the answer,